How to fix camera error can't connect to the camera problem. So if you want to fix the camera error can't connect to the camera problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply press and hold on to that camera application, go with the app info. And once you're under the app info, you need to go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. Once you cleared your cache, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then go with the permissions and make sure that you allow the camera and microphone permission. Once you allow the permission, go with notifications and make sure that you've allowed the notifications also. And once you've done that, you need to go back and just open up your settings. And once you open up your settings, you need to go with search, which is on the upper right, and tap on the search settings and search for reset. Now under reset, you will have reset app preferences. Tap on it and tap on reset app preferences again and tap on reset, which is right here. And after that, your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't, then go and restart your device, press and hold on to that power button, restart, and after restarting, your camera problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.